What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a new Land Cruiser 250 behind me here that we are installing a MagnaFlow exhaust on. So this exhaust is a full bolt-on exhaust, and what we're going to do today is really just to show how it sounds. The installation of it is extremely simple. You could do it at home with some basic tools, especially on a newer truck. The bolts that are on it won't have enough time to really seize since it's so new, so you don't really have to use any penetration oil to break it loose. So installation on this is super simple. They are in separate pieces because it has to fit in this box for it to be shipped easily, but it is a high clearance exhaust. If you come and take a look over here, it doesn't sit below the bumper, so it's right here. And it sounds amazing. We'll plug in the cold start here in just a little bit, but the quality of it is very good. Installation's good as well. Fitment is great, and it sounds good. So let's take a listen to the cold start. All right guys, so let me know what you guys think of how it sounds, and I'll have a link to the product down in the description if you guys want to check it out. But really just wanted to make a quick video to show of how the install went, how it sounds and everything like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time.